G'day guys, welcome back. We are at Main Beach, going for a surf. Let's see how we go.
Alright guys, it's a bit rough today. It's not giving me a whole lot to work with, but having fun nonetheless.
Another day of surfing, let's go. Well guys, I locked myself out of my car. This is great. I am waiting for a spare key to get back in because I'm stuck here now. Like, what a way to start the day. you go for a surf, you come back, you lock yourself out of your car, and then you got to wait till a spare key comes so you can get back in and go about your day. How good. Rightio guys, that's it for today. Pretty good. I think I'm getting a little bit better. Progress is progress, baby steps. It was a bit choppy out there, it wasn't giving me much to work with. However, it's still a good time. Now I've got to go to work, so hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next Ocean Tales video.